Nature Man.
What's your name?
My name is Nature Man.
What do you do for a living?
I live out here in the woods and do my best to protect nature.
What was the most traumatic experience that shaped your career?
As a young boy, soon after my father had left me in the woods, there was a bear, and he looked at me and he said, "I'm gonna fucking eat you, little boy." I looked him in the eye and I said, "No, you're not." And I grabbed the nearest stick and I waved it around like this. And the bear said, "Oh shit." And then he walked away.
What is your favorite organism?
I would have to say the paloopa rat. It's just something about the way it runs on the floor, how majestically it eats food and climbs trees.
Ever witnessed point source pollution?
Not a day in my life. It doesn't exist.
You don't believe pollution exists?
No, it doesn't.
Do you believe in global warming?
No, not real. It's not real. Here we have the glorious red tree, known for its bright red colors. Unfortunately, however, the species of tree is dwindling at an alarming rate. This may very well be the last of its species. Here we have the flomp-gone leaf. It's also a very rare species. This specific leaf comes from the flomp-gone tree. Continuing on with our journey. Here we have some wild long grass. This is excellent fire making material. You can use this for making string and also never mind. Look at what we have here. Some wild moss. This moss, so cool. Its taste is very peculiar. It's called tastes like shit moss.
Nature Man, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Whoa. Here we have the majestic Pinot tree. This tree, as you can see, is fairly young. It has yet a very long life to live. And we hope that it may live very long. Oh, and another thing. We have the wild Galoopa Gloop nest. These creatures are also sadly going extinct due to overpopulation of the human species. It's very sad, but they taste pretty good.
Nature Man, how did you get into this field of study?
As a very young child, my father kicked me out of the house, told me to never come back. So I decided nature would become my home, and so it did. I've lived in these woods for about 30 years now. It's been a very magical experience. Look at what we have here. A native nest from the very fast bird species. It's obviously naturally constructed using the tree's natural resources. Ooh. And here we have a spear made from all of the beauty around us. This spear is especially good for killing those little frogs that you see. Just, you know, they really pop when you kill them. Oh, here we have the beautiful, gracious booty-scracher plant. This species is known for its medicinal purposes, especially with booty itching. Wow. So yummy. Seems like we have some tracks of some massive bear or something. It's pretty fresh. You better be careful. Oh, there we have the true beauty of life. A beautiful budding tree. Truly magnificent.
Did you just break off the tip?
No. As you can see right behind me here is one of Maple Grove's largest waterfalls. This waterfall is about 80 meters high and runs at about 80 miles an hour. Right now I am testing the salinity of the water. I'd say that it's about at point A. It's also very cold. Oh, this water over here looks very polluted.
Doesn't
exist. All this dust and sandiness in the water with all this disgusting leaf litter. Definitely polluted. Most likely an oil spill. Oh shit. And with that, back to the studio.